All right, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? I don't think you're ready. Bump this jelly. I think I've said that before. Nope, first time anyone's ever said it. I win. Verbal binding contract in the state of Arkansas. Done. Let's learn. Okay, so what we've got here is a two-step equation, and I'm going to show you how to solve it. Okay, first, our ultimate goal here is to get x by itself. Consider x a pariah, not a piranha, which are confusing for people that are me for the first like 18 years of your life. But pariah means that nobody wants to be around you because you did something mean or nice and they don't agree with it. Okay? So we want to get the x by itself. If we can get the x by itself on one side of the equal sign, then we got ourselves an answer. Okay? Because our ultimate goal here is to find out what is the number that x represents, and that's what we want to find out. So, here we go. First rule, or your rule of this is always to get rid of whatever is furthest away from x on that side of the equal sign. So we're ignoring the 21. He can kick it over here and do whatever he wants. Okay, he's 21. All right, so what we're going to do is take this side of the equal sign, this side over here, and we're going to get rid of what's furthest away from x. Okay, what's furthest away from x is not the 9, because the 9 and the x are making out. It's this 3. Now, to get rid of stuff or to send it across the equal sign or across the railroad tracks, if you will, is you got to do the opposite of whatever's happening. Okay? This is adding 3. The opposite of adding is subtracting. Now, the rule here in math is you have to do if you do it to one side, you have to do it to the other side. So if I subtract 3 from over here to make it go away, I got to subtract 3 from over here as well. So let's bring everything down. Switching colors to keep you entertained. All right, and then 21 minus 3 is 18. Okay? Now, your last step here is to get rid of the only number that's left, 9. Now, look at what is happening between the 9 and the x. Are they being added, subtracted, multiplied, or divided? Well, I'll tell you, hint, hint, they're being multiplied. The opposite of multiplication is division. So we got to divide 9 on both sides. 9 divided by 9 is 1. What's 1 times x? It's going to be x. Anything times 1 is itself. That's why we do that. Same reason we subtract 3 up here is to make it 0, because if you add 0, it gets rid of it. This gets rid of this. So x is the only thing left on that side, which is what we want. And then we take 18 divided by 9, which is 2. So we found what x equals. Now, one of the nice things about these equations are you can always check your answer. Let's take our original equation, which was 9x plus 3 equals 21. Okay? Now, we are saying essentially x is 2. 2 is the number that is x. If this is a basketball game and x is your starter and you have a player that is the exact same skill set, you would take out that x and put in the 2 because they are the exact same. Okay? Now, let's test it. This is how we can see if we're correct. You don't have to guess on these if you're taking a test. 9 times, what are we saying x is equal to? 2. Add 3 equals 21. Now, we just solve it. Order of operations says we multiply first. So that'd be 18 plus 3 equals 21. And then 18 plus 3 is 21. Now, is our statement true? Does 21 equal 21? All day, every day. All right? Sorry to go a little street on you. That's what I have to do sometimes. A lot of people say I'm pretty street, like a lamppost that's not by the street. A lot of people, let me do that one again. A lot of people say I'm pretty street like a sidewalk. Aw, yeah. Win-win for everyone. Hey, Tyler here. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out tarveracademy.com. You heard the man. Make sure you check out the Facebook page if you'd like to. Hit me up on Twitter if you have any questions about math. Send me a picture of it and I'll try to help you out. And then also check out my other YouTube page because, well, it's less math. All right? Check out Tarver Academy. Not Tarver Academy. That's silly. TarverAcademy.com if you feel like it. If not, well, just go shave your head. Bye-bye.